We'll guide you through how to transfer photos and videos from an Android to a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is the most quick and convenient way we've found. Once they're on your Mac, you can go install them there or go and make edits and do other things as well. So to get started on the Android, open up the gallery, like so. Now you can come into whatever album you want. You want to go and start selecting the photos and videos you want to do this with. With them selected, you then want to go and press share at the bottom. You'll go and see this pop up. Wait for the options to load, and at the bottom you need to go and scroll down. Go and select Drive like this. Note the account at the bottom and choose location. Then you can go to the top right and you can press the folder button and you can name this Mac or whatever you want. Press create and then you can go and press select and then you can go and press upload in the top right. Now go and wait. Next, come onto your Mac and you need to open a browser. The default one will be Safari, but you can use others as well. In this case, I'll use Chrome. You want to come to google.com. Go to the top right, make sure you're using the same Google account as you're using on your Android and press apps. Then you want to go and press drive and you're now here. And you can go and press my drive to the left and find the folder you made, which was this here for me. Then what you can do is press the three dots to the right and we can then go and press download. And we can go and download it onto our Mac. Here it is. You can then go and click on it like so and it'll go and extract and we can come in here and we can go and see the photos and videos we went and transferred.